Lacrosse Federation president.
The league is very, very nice, very tough. Players are super competitive from Western, Eldoret. We have others coming from Coast and, of course, from Nairobi. Yeah, we are doing our best, and every team wants to win.
The round one was not that competitive as the final round. And yeah, my team actually made it to the top of the table, and we are really happy. Lacrosse is going far, it is growing fast, and we're hopefully going to compete internationally, and we are looking forward to go to Olympics 2028, so we are hoping for the very best.
Share the game with the folks in Kenya and hopefully get a lot of people playing. We're really excited that it's back in the Olympics in 2028, so we're really gearing up for that and encouraging as many people as possible to come out and play, and we'll be here to help you along the way and coach you to greatness.
We started this league because we felt there was a need to have our national team player pools to stay active. So this is our first go-round with that. This is our first weekend. It's been an amazing success. Really spirited games, quality games. We're going to do this one weekend a month for the next 4 or 5 months. Then we're going to take some time off. We're going to do another player draft, and then we'll pick it up again probably at September.